clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
Hey fams, happy Tuesday. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday so far. So I am working today. I'm not off, I'm working, but I am working. I start at 2. I have a 2 to 11 shift tonight. So I am just kind of filming in real time for you guys. I'm just kind of filming like a little vlog, if you will. I haven't filmed one of these in a while, and so I just kind of wanted to stop in just to say hi to you guys, see how you guys are doing, and just kind of do this video vlog style. So today we're going to work on doing some cleaning up, and I have a lot of cleaning up to do. After Thanksgiving, my family was here and we just had such a great time. They didn't make a mess or anything, but it's just a lot of, little things that I need to sort of get done. So we're gonna work on that today. And then also I wanna work on my foyer table. I'm kind of having a dilemma, you guys. You seeing the little, sneak peek in my foyer. So I started decorating my foyer, but I'm kind of having a dilemma. I'm not 100% feeling it, if that makes sense. Like, I'm trying to go with that woodland theme with just a touch, like a tad bit of glam. I don't want it to be too glam though, And I have this this piece that I did last year, and it worked out last year for what I was doing. But for some reason, I'm just not feeling it, you guys. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. Everybody's just like, oh my gosh, it's nice. What's wrong with you? Just leave it alone. But I'm just not feeling it. And I'm going to turn the camera around and let you guys see it. I'm just not feeling it. And I don't know what it is. Let me know if I'm just being, oops, sorry. Let me know if I'm just being a little bit OCD. I don't know. I'm kind of like wanting to change it, but then I'm like, just leave it alone. It's fine. It looks good. Just leave it alone. But anyway, let me turn the camera around so you guys can see it. I already have it set up and everything, but let me turn it around so you guys can see it. Okay, so I have it here. And I know you guys are going to say there's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know what it is that I'm not feeling. I don't know if I need to take these out and put them somewhere else or what. Because I'm trying to go with that woodland theme, that village or cabin, woodsy type theme. But I just don't know, you guys. I don't know if maybe this is throwing me off. I'm thinking that this is kind of throwing me off, but this is a little bit farmhousey to me as well, though not really, but I don't know. Y'all tell me. Y'all see my Christmas tree in my dining room? I have a video that is coming out with my dining room tour and tablescape and everything, but I am waiting for the brand to reply back to let me know if they approve it so that I can publish it for you guys. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I leave it or should I change it? Let me know. Should I leave it or should I change it? Because I'm kind of going OCD. I love the neutral tones of it, and I love the glam factor, but it's something that's throwing me off, and I just don't know what it is that's throwing me off. So anyway, I'm here in my living room. I'm watching Hallmark, working, filming at the same time. I have so many touching up to do, you guys. So much touching up. I'm trying to get into like better light. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. So y'all see this wall over here? I don't know what to do with this wall, and it's driving me nuts. It's driving me absolutely nuts. We got our new sectional, and I am loving it. I am loving it, you guys. Like, our family just love the sectional so much. It is super duper comfortable. Oh my goodness. It is so comfortable, and it's huge. I know I'm gonna get a coffee table to go here, but I just love the way that it looks. But I just don't know what to do with this wall. So I have nails and all these things that's in this wall. So my original plan is to do like the grid style board and batten and bring it all the way up and just do it on this entire wall going across. And I think that that would look really, really good. And then paint it like a nice bold color. I'm caught in between a dilemma here, a design dilemma. I don't know what to do. I have too much time on my hand. Not really, I don't. I'm caught between this design dilemma and I really don't know what to do. I want to do something bold for this space. Coming in the new year, I want to do something different. It's going to be changed up a lot, but I just don't know exactly what I want to do. And I don't know if I want to be the one to do the grid board and batten or if I want to hire out for someone to do it. I think I might just hire out and, you know, get some quotes and see what they say. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But right now, I am just going to be making some breakfast because a sister girl is hungry. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some breakfast. Okay, guys. So I am actually going to take these drapes down because I'm just not feeling them. They're not going with, you know, my overall style and theme that I want. So I'm going to take them down and I am going to put up these white linens that I had up there in the summertime. But here we go.
December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Calling all angels high, if you are there, help me.
So there you go. I think that that looks so much better. It's going to make the space so much brighter and lighter. I mean, it's winter time. I don't want to have a dark home. So I do like to use like sheer curtains and stuff like that throughout the winter. This is like a sheer linen drape curtain that I got from Amazon. But I think it looks so much better, and I really do like it. I think that it complements the room, the fact that, you know, my tree is like red and all that. I feel like the other drape was kind of like competing in a bit, competing in a way for the attention, and it just was too much and too overwhelming. So I just wanted this space to be kind of like simple, but at the same time let the Christmas tree, let all the decorations stand out. So I think that it looks so much better and it feels so much better, you guys. I love the way that it feels. So with these draperies, I am definitely going to be keeping them. I'm not giving them away or doing any of that. I am going to be keeping it, and I'm going to be I'll probably put it in my bedroom, maybe. I don't know. I'll think about it. Or I'll put it in my pantry. That's a good idea too, because my pantry is kind of neutral in tones. So I think I might actually do that. That's actually a really good idea. I think I am going to put that in the pantry, maybe. But I think that it goes so well with everything. And I do have my new chairs that is coming in the new year. I am so excited about it, and I cannot wait for you guys to see everything. I am going to be sanding this table down and sealing it, and the new chairs, and the dining room is getting like a total makeover. a total change. So I'm excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Let me bring you up a little bit closer so you guys can see it. And I love that you can see the outside. It's like you still have privacy, but you know, you can still see the outside. I love it. I love how it looks with the tree and everything. I'm not going to give you guys like a full tour because I do have that tour coming up, but it's definitely with the different curtains. But I'll give you guys like an updated dining room tour in the full Christmas house tour coming in December. But I love the way that that looks, you guys. It's so beautiful. And then I love the way that it looks with the chandelier. Oh, stunning. Okay, guys, I think that I am loving this. It looks so much better. I knew that it was the canvas that was throwing me off. It looks so much better and it feels so much better too. I love the mirror. I'm right here. I love the mirror. It just looks so much better, and I feel like it's definitely that woodland theme that I'm going for, that rustic woodland theme that I am going for. I just love the way that it looked. I wanted to try to see if I changed out the canvas and put something else, if that would change it, and it completely changes the entire scenery. I just love it so much. Now I'm gonna grab some garland and see if I can work on this good old staircase right here, and see if I can bring some greenery to my banisters. I have the flock snow garlands, but I don't know if I really want to put up the flock snow garlands. I think I just want to go with the all green garlands. So let me go grab them and see what we can do.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach.
Okay guys, so I need to get some new garlands. The ones that I have is just not enough for what I am trying to do on the staircase, and I need to embellish it a little, you know, with some baubles. Sorry, I'm filming on my phone and the notifications is going off, but with some baubles and you know, some decorative things. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the garlands. I'm gonna probably do like a separate video on how to do garlands on your staircase for Christmas. I'm gonna do like a DIY video and like a DIY / decorate with me video. So I'm gonna do that for you guys and put that up for next week and show you guys how I'm going to be doing my staircase for the Christmas holiday. So this is it for this video, you guys. I hope that it was, you know, full of fun and I don't know, inspiration for you guys. I am actually going to call it a quits and I am going to relax a little bit, get my lunch ready for work because I have to leave out in like an hour and a half. So I'm just going to kind of just wind it down, you know, bring my brain to a stop and let it just get ready for work mode. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. Hey, if you are new here, if it's your first time, you know, stopping by my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and this is my channel, All Things Shushana, and I do a lot of home decor here, seasonal decors, house tour, some DIYs here and there, motivational vlog style, lifestyle videos, and cleaning motivation as well. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe, become a part of our family here, and definitely hit that bell twice so that you don't miss any of my notifications. But I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by today, and to my oldie but goodie fams, y'all know I love y'all. so much. You guys always support me, and I am super, super grateful for y'all. Y'all know I love you guys so much. So have a wonderful day, you guys. Remember, Jesus is Lord. He is the reason for the season. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for hanging with your girl today, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here.